So what is actually Ramp Business Credit Card Review? Let me break it down for you. Ramp Business Credit Card is a corporate card for businesses that combines payment, expense management, and reporting in one platform. It's designed for startups and small to mid-sized companies that want control over team spending and simplified accounting. How it works: you sign up, get virtual or physical cards for employees, set limits, and monitor every purchase in real time. The platform automatically captures receipts, syncs with QuickBooks or Xero, and helps you track budgets and expenses. The pros: it has no annual fee, offers up to 1.5% cash back, and eliminates personal credit checks. Many users like the tight spending controls and easy integrations, which is actually nice for businesses wanting clear visibility on expenses. The cons: it's a charge card, so you must pay the full balance each month. Some users find the rewards and onboarding experience varies depending on your business size. Pricing as of 2026, $0 annual fee for the standard card, Ramp Plus $15 per user per month for extra features, and enterprise plans with custom pricing. It's ideal for US businesses that want real-time expense tracking and easy team card management. If you need travel rewards or carry balances, other cards may suit you better. Let me know what you think below and subscribe for more reviews.